there are lots of websites on the internet that talks about digital marketing, but I think these three websites are very important, when it comes to the digital world. So let me just take you straight to the first one, which I have here. The first one is the Bitly. Bitly is a very important website because if you go straight to bitly.com, currently you can sign up, then you should have the power to create any link and shorten it. Let's assume, for example, I want to create a link. On bitly.com is going to ask you, hey, where is the link? Let's say this is the link. Then from here, you could shorten it very. So all I'll do now is just click on create here. Then we have that. So if I click on create, then it's going to create a short link for me, which I can share with my friend. So over here, successfully created a short link. Now you can see this is the name of the link. So now it means instead of using a very long link or a very longer link that looks suspicious or spamming, you could go straight to Bitly and shorten the link and use it, send it to anyone. Another one which I think is good is the tiny URL. I'm not affiliated to any of these, just for tutorial purpose. But one problem with tiny URL is you can't use it for your ad. Yes, it seems Facebook does not recognize this company and all thereabout, but if you try to use it for your Facebook ad could get rejected. Yes, it could get rejected, all this, but this is how it still works in case you want to use it for other purpose as well. You can post that long stuff. Let's say I have some beautiful stuff here. Let me just write some kind of strange word. Maybe I have a very long, I'll just put in www.google.com, then I put a slash ev. Okay, let me just write Austin is YouTubing. So I'm going to put this stuff like this, YOUTUBING. Let's say this is what I have. Then if I want to shorten, it's going to ask me, how do you want to shorten this stuff? Because the first thing that comes in is the tinyurl.com. Then what follows is that name. I might say I want to shorten it to something like Austin YT, or just say Aust YT, depending on what you want to call. Then I'm going to click on shorten another. So I'm going to shorten this URL very fast. Then it said this is not available. What it means is you can't use it. Someone has taken it already. Maybe I want to use YTT. Then I'm going to say shorten URL and see if now you see it's available. But one problem there is these are all free plans. You can go for the paid plan if you like. But from here, from the screen, we have this, then followed by this there, the domain, then your tiny link. So you can use this as well, but it's preferable you use bitly.com. But always remember there is always the initials. When I mean initials, it always come with this short form, but it's worldwide acceptable. If I should borrow that word, you can use it anywhere on your Facebook ad, Instagram ad, anywhere, and you're good to go. That's link shortener. Then another beautiful one, which I think is the one we all know, which has saved a lot of people. Guess what? I believe this is it. The third one here is the create link. This site has been amazing. It has saved a lot of people. You can create customized WhatsApp link for any business of yours, any business. Let's assume now I want to create a customized WhatsApp link. I'll just move on to create. Just type create.wa.link, this website here, and on Google, any search you want to use. Then the next thing you want to do is to come here immediately and you type in the stuff, your number. Let me say I'm putting one of my number, though don't reach me through this, it's not working anyway. So I'm going to put this now. Okay, miss something here. It's 91. Okay, okay, sorry, I didn't tell you. You should choose your country first of all. Choose your country is very important. You put your country there, then I'll come here and put just any number there. Just say 91244. This one here. Ensure there is no +234. So get that off there if you are putting it. So I'm going to put that all from scratch. I'm going to say 91244503556. So I have that. Then the next thing you want to do is to add your custom message so that anybody who clicks on it can come straight to your DM through that link without having to save your WhatsApp number always. Yes, that's why I decided to go. You can say hello. Yes, I use this very well. Hello, my name is Austin. My name is Austin. Hello. Depending. I am chatting, depending on what you want to put there, chatting you from your YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Oh, did I just hit subscribe? All right, if you just joined me on my YouTube channel, please just hit on the subscribe button there and turn on the notification as well so that you get notified anytime I create videos that talks about digital marketing and other websites and stuffs that you can learn. Trust me, there's a lot to learn from the internet space. So over here now, you can add any of this emoji there. By just clicking on emoji, click on the emoji, you can pick any of this emoji and it's going to load emojis. And but above all, if you want to add quick emoji, just use your window and your dot. So window and dot is going to give you some emojis. You can search for anyone and say sad, depending on what you want to put there, and you have some stuff, then you can put that there and you're good to go. Or you can add emoji from here if it really works. Okay, now we have tons and tons of emoji you can apply, or you use the window and dot on your PC, or if it is command and dot, I don't know for that of Macintosh, that's Apple. So if you're good to go now, the next thing you want to do is to create your link. You can come here and create your link as well, then just wait for it to load and you have your link all down there, which you can hit on the copy. You can download this QR code as well to so that people can chat you as well. They still have the paid plan in case. So I've talked about the first one, which is the Bitly. They are all shorting outs. I've talked about this shorting. I've talked about how you can create a link, how you can shorten them. Then we'll go to the next one, which is called tinywow.com. This website is so beautiful because it has a lot of things embedded on this website, ranging from the PDF. You see, if you click on the PDF, you can see it's loading. I just click on the PDF by mistake. So I'll go one step backward so that we have the screen. So we have the PDF on the drop down. We can edit PDF here. We can convert PDF to Word. We can convert from JPEG, from picture to PDF. We can merge PDF together. If you read something be under here, merge 2 or more PDF files into a single PDF. Convert a PDF to Word document, then free PDF editors. So you can create PDF, other tools here. You can create PDF, you can convert from PDF to JPEG, you can compress, you can send it from Word to PDF. Some crazy stuff you can do. You can rearrange, you can protect by putting password, you can extract text. Yes. Or if I have other times, I'll be showing you how to do this one after the other, how to edit PDF, how to convert PDF to Word. But though there are other stuffs on Microsoft Word which you can do, but all these online tools are very beautiful and very important. No joke. So now the next thing I want to talk is the image. Yes, with this place you can remove background easily. You see how beautiful the arsenal, they have a lot of arsenals. Yes, a lot of weapons in this website. Trust me. But have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? If you've not, please just do that and hit on the notification bell. Then back to what I was saying. So you can restore photos here. You can talk about the profile photo maker. You can remove person from photo. You can extract text from image. Wow. You can generate AI image. I know you would look like, wow, why not just tap on one stuff and start? But that is not the essence of this. I'm just showing you this. If there's other good time, I could do that. But you can blur background, you can colorize photo, you can combine image, you can go straight to college makers, you can talk about transparent background, crop stuffs, a lot of crazy stuff you can do here. Why you keep on going down and you keep on seeing a lot of stuff. Then you can write. From here, you can write paragraph writer. A lot since the AI came out of ChatGPT, bard.google.com, a lot of websites are start integrating some AI on their website. Now we have paragraph writer AI, we have sentence rewriter, easy writer, article rewriter, FB, that's Facebook Ad Generator, FAQ generator, that's frequently asked question generator, real estate description. You can tell them to just write some stuff for you. You can talk Instagram caption generator, content provider, all AI write, all stuff like this. Then over to this image, I've talked about this. I've talked about writing. Now on the video, you can compress video here. You can turn video to GIF. You can trim video. You can turn video from MP4 to MP3. That is how beautiful this website is. Then other thing you can do here, you can change to audio to text, resize. You can extract. You can convert from MOV to MP4 depending on what. Then you can download images, anything from Facebook. Yes, you can do that. Oh, wow. We still have TikTok downloader, Instagram downloader. You see how beautiful this website is. And I think this website is one website you should have at the back of your mind. Yes, in your heart. You should have this. Anyway, so then the next thing to talk about the file, you can split CSV file. You can convert Excel to PDF, Excel to SML, extensible markup language. Then you can just keep on playing around others, and when you are good to go, you see this website has everything you should need. Yes. So you can go there and just try another tiny URL and start playing around instead of moving on different websites trying to sort some things out. Then finally on this, we have this. Let me get out from there immediately why this loads. Canva.com. But before we go to Canva, remember the first thing I talked about was Bitly to shorten any link. As a marketer, you need to shorten some links that look spammy. You can try this too, but I told you that this is very, very important. You try the Bitly when doing that. Then in case you want to create a link for your WhatsApp, and you are not using the business WhatsApp app, you can use any numbers and just create your own special link here and you have it. You can use it for your Facebook ad, Instagram ad. It's worldwide acceptable. Then the next one, the last one, second to last, yes, is the Tiny Wow, which I just showed you all the features there. And I said, if you've not subscribed to my channel, you can leave it anyway, but please do. All right, now, so now we'll come to the last one, which is they said the account was found violating our terms and switched to personal. All right, that's the team I joined and stuff like that. So I could just switch to my personal stuffs and I have it ready. Okay, let me just switch and upgrade anyway. So that's by the way. So let me just have my stuff ready and show you some stuff. All right, this is canva.com. With canva.com, you can do amazing stuff. Yes, why I decided to show you as part of website you need in your digital marketing is because with Canva, this is taking some little time. I really can't spend much time. All right, now this is the personal one. As here, you can just come here and maybe you want to make videos on TikTok. You can come here and say TikTok. Let me just write TIK video. So I'm going to come here and just put in TikTok video. Then I'll wait for that to load. And we have a lot of stuff coming up. Yes, we have a lot of stuff coming up. So you're going to wait for this to load and you have a lot of idea on how to go about this TikTok videos. And there are some crazy stuff. All right, now I can't talk about in length about Canva, but if you go to my channel, there's a lot of things about Canva. I've talked about Canva on how to use absolutely everything on the screen here. Yes, how to create QR codes, how to talk about yard signs, stickers, websites, social media, and stuff like this. I've talked about them, so you can go there and just enjoy yourself and become a pro Canva use. Is there any word like pro? But that's by the way. So now you can come here and just pick one of all these and customize them and add some talking stuff. And if you're good to go, you can come here and just put some stuff, change the image if you think it's better, upload yours. I can't start explaining all this. All right, guys, hope I did well. Anyway, in case I did well, don't forget to give me a thumb up. Drop your nice comment for me. If you want to add your own special type of link you think is better and helpful, you can suggest that. If you want to join my Telegram group so that we can be friends, you can as well. Click on the link anywhere you see it and join my Telegram. You can send me a DM on WhatsApp. You can join my Twitter community as well. But make sure we are part of friends. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in all the updates if it comes up. Thank you.